Hey guys, I know I'm late. Okay, so let's see how we're moving today. You guys have my watch list on my Discord. I only have like three, four stocks that I'm watching. Apple, um, Microsoft, Meta, and ARM is the other one. Okay. The market is still looking pretty bearish. Spy in the queue, it's on their Friday slow. That's no bueno. No bueno at all. Damn, it's dead. Okay. I'm gonna be patient here. I'm watching ARM under 50. If it is under 50, I'm gonna take puts there. Mm. Okay, so SPY in the queue, it's under Friday's low, but um so far Apple is holding 174. It's looking weak, but it's still above 174. Meta is dead. So far, the market is doing nothing. We have no continuation, even though both the SPY and the Q are looking pretty weak because both are under like important levels, but they're not moving. Not moving at all. You guys want anything or what are you guys watching today? Tesla is pretty weak. Microsoft is looking weak, and QQQ is looking pretty weak. Also, Target, ooh, I don't like how Target move. So yeah, I don't want to trade Target. But I feel like everything's just stuck. Nothing is moving. I want to see Apple under 174. 354.71. So I'm gonna be patient here and wait and see what's the move for the day, because so far it's looking weird. Like technically, if we don't really think, we only see the charts, the market is bearish because it's under Friday's low and Thursday's low, but it's not moving at all. So just gonna wait. Like this is kind of looking like a fake out, and probably it's gonna go again above 357.50. Mm, kind of cool. Happy Monday. I think the key here today, it's Apple. If Apple loses 174, and I kind of like Microsoft for the upside to at least 420, but I'm just gonna wait. We have Powell on Thursday, right? Yeah. So 358 is the level of resistance on, it's a level of resistance on QQQ on pre-market. Here, yeah, here 358. I don't know. I don't think so far. I don't like anything. Honestly, so far I don't like anything. I'm gonna be very patient here. Right. So NVDA is going to 420. Tesla to 42. If NVIDIA goes higher, I want to see it filling the gap to 422. NVIDIA has a gap. Here it is. I will look for the gap close reversal play. It has a little gap here till 422.28 around there. If you use it as a board, it's gonna go to 440, could go to 436, 440. If rejects there, it's a perfect entry for puts because it's right at the downtrend, daily downtrend. Fill the gap here, and it kind of Nvidia kind of looks like a bear flag, like a big, you can say something like this, like bear flag here. Yeah. Let's see how Nvidia is gonna react to 422. Apple is doing nothing, but it's holding there. I think, honestly, I think as long as Apple is holding 174, I think it's gonna be a little bit difficult for the market to go lower. But we're rejecting yesterday high or these levels on pre-market. Yeah, which is on the Q is yesterday high. I'm sorry, yesterday's low. We are rejecting there. So if you want to play puts, that's the best entry for puts. But I don't know, I find it difficult for me to play puts at this level because the market's been down so much that I think we need a green day, like a bounce day, a dead cat bounce day. Everything is acting weird. It's doing nothing. Google is right at Friday's low also. If the Q breaks 458 and use it as support, I'm bullish on at least in the morning. On the morning. And if NVDA holds this low here and use it as support, I'm bullish on NVDA also. But for to enter NVIDIA, I want to see, yeah, the Q breaking 458 and use it as support. I'm gonna play that on futures if the Q can use 458 as support. Yeah, okay. Let's see how this 5 minute candle is gonna close. If closes above 458, um, closes strong, yeah, that's bullish. It's rejecting there. Spies right at Friday's low. Okay, Nvidia is pretty bullish, but I need the Q to break 458. I think everything's a little bit tricky. It's a little bit tricky here, but Nvidia is clearly pretty strong. Microsoft is weak. I need the Q to break this level here. Hmm. I don't like anything. Nvidia, but I need the Q to break 458. And I even like Apple if can use 175 support. You guys on anything or still waiting also? Okay, I like that. QQQ definitely stronger than SPY, but it's still rejecting 458. I want to see like a candle close above 458 and use it as support. Otherwise, we could still like go like reject hard here and go lower. Bear on Amazon? What's Amazon doing? Amazon doesn't look bad, but it's rejecting pre-market high. So if uses pre like on the daily, it looks bullish, but and it's kind of looking strong, but it's just like the Q. It looks exactly like the Q. Look, 5 minute candles on the Q, 5 minute candles on Amazon. It needs to break pre-market high, and and it has a big gap to fill also. So I'm gonna put an alert on Amazon here. Well, Amazon looks just like the Q, so you can play either the Q on Amazon, it's up to you. But again, we need the Q to use for 358 as support. But everything has a huge gap above, and I want to see all those gap filled. Like the Q, especially the Q gap. I really, really like this gap here, and I would love to play that gap. But yeah, Amazon very strong. It doesn't look bearish at all. Look that. Okay, it's rejecting. What's NVIDIA? Ooh, NVIDIA is rejecting right there the gap. NVIDIA is kinda tempting me for puts, honestly. Because just fill the gap. I'm gonna wait a little bit. Gonna wait a little bit. On Trade-O-Vate. On Trade-O-Vate is where you can group your trades. You just create a click manage group, and then you select which accounts you want on each group. Okay, that's pretty bullish. Okay, I like the Q here. Apple is also looking pretty bullish. Okay, I got into MQ. I'm playing QQQ on futures. I only got 3, but I do like it. NVDA is looking pretty strong. Mm, Apple also looking pretty good. Um, it feels like NVIDIA resistance was 422, but it's using it as support, so now it's pretty bullish. I'm gonna go with Apple calls. Let's see. Well, I'm gonna wait how if this 5 minute candle is gonna close on Apple. If it closes above 175, I'm gonna go with Apple calls. And it's gonna be the 175 weekly. I didn't get a contract on the queue. I'm playing it on futures. But I don't like these rejection candles. Even though it's holding 358, those candles are ugly. That's ugly. So again, if this 5 minute candle on Apple closes above 175, I'm gonna go with the 175 calls contract weeklies. Okay, I got in. I got Apple. It doesn't look like the Q looks weak, but I still like it. NVIDIA looks pretty good also. It's flagging above 422. But I don't like those wicks. Those wicks look weird. I think because how I play these type of wicks, I want to see Apple filling those long wicks at 177. That's what I'm looking on Apple. Mm, my stop loss is gonna be 174. You can use pre-market if loses pre-market high, or you can use the VWAP. Up to you. Mine is gonna be 174, under 174. That's an ugly rejection there on NQ, on the Q. I don't like that rejection. Mm, let's see. If loses this support, I'm gonna get out on futures. I don't like that both SPY and the Q are having a lot of troubles on yesterday's low. Yeah, I don't like that. Let me see something. We need to hold here, but it's not looking good. Okay, I like that move. Mm, mm. Yeah, the market is looking weak. We need like the Q needs this 5 minute candle to be fully green and engulfing this one. Otherwise, we're gonna keep going lower. Let's be patient here and wait. But nothing is looking strong. NVDA is the one that looks a little bit better, but it's still, it has too many wicks at the top. Yeah. Mm. I got 3 yes for the downside to see as a hedge. Yeah. Let's see. I think it just wicked me out. I don't know. If loses VWAP, we're definitely going lower. So now I'm playing the downside here on on SPY. If loses, if breaks this morning high, I'm gonna get out. That's my stop loss there. Okay, if this 50-minute candle closes like that, it's bearish. If closes holding um like smaller than the one before, it's bullish. We're bullish on the day. Ooh, that's bullish. SPY is looking better, kind of better than the Q, even though it's still under yesterday's low. Okay, that's bullish. Got out. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait and see how this 15-minute candle is gonna close on the SPY and the Q to play futures again. So far, I'm down 270 on each account on futures. Mm. What a crappy price action today. And Wednesday is gonna be horrible also because we have Powell speaking on Thursday. Mm-mm-mm. So far, Apple is holding, so NVDA is looking good also. But I don't know. I wouldn't enter anything honestly until I see like the Q clearly holding pre-market high support. At least two 5-minute candles above 358. Mm-mm-mm. This type of market like this, like this type of move and price action is when we really need to be very patient because if we enter on anything on puts or calls, we can get stop out. But so far, if this 5-minute candle is gonna close like that, it was bullish. If this 15-minute candle is gonna close like that, it's very bullish also. Mm. The daily is not looking good because we're clearly rejecting yesterday's low. Okay. Mm-mm-mm. NVIDIA was the one. Morning, morning. I'm playing the Q again. It's holding VWAP. Only two, because I don't want to keep losing here. And keeps rejecting pre-market high. I still like Apple. Apple, even though it's kinda under pre-market high, is holding VWAP. It looks like it's flagging. Mm-mm-mm. Ooh, Apple is looking weak there. Apple is looking weak. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. If a Q loses VWAP, I'm gonna get out of Apple and my futures play. Mm. Again, if the Q loses VWAP, I'm gonna get out of everything, of Apple and my futures play. If you wanna get out of Apple right now, that's fine because it's under VWAP and it's looking pretty bearish. Okay, let's see if this candle closes like that. I'm gonna get out. Mm-mm-mm. I'm waiting to see how this 5 minute candle is gonna close. Okay, I don't like that, but it's still holding. The Q looks very, very weak, but it's still holding that low there. Keeps holding the view up. I'm just waiting to see how this 5 minute candle is gonna close here on the Q. Because we're still using these resistance as support. Okay. Let's see how we're close here. I'm getting out. That's pretty bearish. Yeah, I'm not gonna try anything else. I'm just gonna not gonna trade anything else. Apple, I'm holding Apple. If loses 174, I'm gonna play the downside on Apple. That's it. But I don't like anything. NVDA is still holding. Apple is looking ugly. Ugly. Under 174, it's done so. And I'll be looking to play puts on Apple. Pretty choppy day. Not my day. Okay, spies is still holding. The Q is still holding. This is this is perfect to lose money. This price action here. Perfect. You guys want anything? Holding Apple with me or nothing? Mm-mm. Okay. Okay, I took NVDA 405 puts because I like that rejection there. Mm, If breaks pre-market morning high, I'm gonna get out on NVIDIA. But I like this bear flag rejecting the gap. How you hedge anything? I don't like hedging because at the end you always lose. you lose something. But if you want to hedge, like, how do you hedge anything? Just going against it on anything. You can, so if you're on Apple call and you want to hedge it with put, you go with the weakest um stock that you see and you play puts there. That's how you hedge. Or you can make it you can sell Apple's calls above. You can also hedge like that. The thing is, the market is holding, but it's still under Friday. Look at this daily candle so far. It's rejecting Friday's low. That's bullish. What a mess. Also, you can say I'm hedging NVDA and app with Apple. How do I block? Why I cannot block somebody here? Like, I wanna block. Nothing is moving. I wouldn't trade today, honestly. I would not trade today. But yeah, I'm holding Nvidia puts and Apple calls. It should be the other way around, but that's what I had. I have. Ooh. Ooh, I like that Nvidia put play. Mm, 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 mm. This is so boring. Mm. If we don't have like a move in 30 minutes, the market is just not gonna do anything for hours because in 30 minutes it's around lunch time. So is gonna be lower. We're not gonna get any type of move on lunch hour. I like that this NVDA 30-minute candle here, clear rejection after filling the gap. This is what I'm looking on NVIDIA. This. On a normal price action day, NVIDIA will do this. On the 30-minute candle, you have it here. This is this. Right at resistance. But I don't know. The market is too choppy today. Um and it's not giving us like a clear move, but that's why I have NVIDIA puts. Could it bounce here? Yeah, maybe. Is it still above 420 and above VWAP? But again, the SPY and QQQ it's under Friday's low, which is that's bearish. And market just bouncing around here, doing nothing. The market is definitely looking weak, but it's not losing support. Apple is holding very good. I hate days like today. Mm, 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 mm. Come on, just do something. Just do something. And spy and the queue keep rejecting. Okay, NVDA is moving according to plan. Apple is holding. And we're bouncing again. Mm-mm-mm. I honestly was expecting today to be a clean day, like a bounce day. Not this. Okay, ARM is near the 50 level that I talk pre-market, and I talk like a little bit under 50. It's a good short play. Let's see if it's really gonna break 50. Oh, I want to see NVIDIA losing VWAP. That's that's the move. Needs to lose VWAP. The Q is still having a lot of trouble on their Friday high. I'm sorry, low, and the same with SPY. I like that rejection there on NVIDIA, mm, but the market's kind of looking a little bit strong. Okay, if the market doesn't do anything at 11, I'm just gonna end the stream because I don't see the point on keep watching this price action. Nvidia is looking great so far. Mm-mm-mm. I like that's a good move on Nvidia. Kind of looks like a head and shoulder now on the 5 minute chart. But mm, 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 mm. Mm-mm. Nothing is moving. This is so boring. Let's see if anything is moving. Let's see. Microsoft. Ooh, Microsoft. Definitely looking weak. 312 is the level that I'm looking on Microsoft. 312, 310. Meta looking weak also. Rejected 300, but again, it's doing nothing. Tesla is right at 245, right at yesterday's low. If rejects here, that's a good entry, like amazing risk to reward here on Tesla puts. Really good risk to reward here. Like you enter here, your stop loss, it will be if holds 245 at support. Okay, and what's the other one? So I tag Amazon. It's just holding there. This thing is not moving. I really, really like NVDA here. But Apple is holding very good so far. I don't know if we're gonna have the market moving lower with Apple keep holding it. Ooh, yeah, NVIDIA looking great. Look this perfect play that I talk about. Exactly the same. I play so many times this 30-minute rejection on the key is doing it on the 30-minute or higher like time frames at resistance. So I'm down 9% on Apple and I'm up 2% on NVIDIA. Let's see which one is gonna win today. So 3 minutes to 11. Mm, 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 mm. Market's looking like it's about to puke, but I don't know. I don't know. So pretty slow day. Again, if the market doesn't do anything around 11, I'm gonna get out. Come on, just die. Spies looks like it's ready to die, but it's doing it like very, very slow. NVDA looking beautiful. Okay, we're gonna bounce again. Okay, the market is not doing anything. So I'm gonna get out of here because I don't see the point on keep watching this slow move here, but I'm holding Apple as long as it's holding I will say this morning low. If Apple keeps holding above 174, I'm gonna hold my calls. Nvidia, I'm gonna hold unless it breaks 422. 422, if uses 422 as support, I'm gonna get out of my Nvidia puts. And that's it. If Nvidia goes to 415, um 415, 46, 416, 412. That 416 is my first PT, and then 412, and then it's gonna be 405. But I'm done. Like, this is like, there's no point on watching this. Okay, I'm gonna wait for this 5 minute candle, how it's gonna close here. Um, I'm waiting 3 minutes to close this candle. Like, for me, the market still looks bearish because it's under yesterday's low, but it's not doing anything. And we all know when the market is like, when you have a day that is under the previous day low, that's bearish. But it's not moving. Okay, almost like a little bit more than 1 minute to see how this candle is gonna close, and I'm leaving. Let's see. SPY is looking weak, but it looks like it's using this little support here, this little resistance here as support. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, I'm out. This is too choppy for me to stay here. So I'm gonna keep holding Apple as long as it's above 174 morning this morning low. I'm gonna get out of my NVDA puts if uses 422 as support. And that's it. Boring day, bad day for me on futures. Very like flat on my options trade. So yeah, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for being here and the support. See you tomorrow. Bye.